Hello, today I'll be showing you how I make or extract coconut milk. For the list of material used, please check the description bar below. First, place a bowl on the table and break the coconut. Place the coconut over the bowl so that the liquid will run into it. You can either drink this tasty liquid or set it aside to make delicious coconut candy. Now break the coconut into tiny bits. This makes it easier to take out the coconut meat. To break the coconut, it's advisable to use a hard object, which could be a hammer or a very strong knife. Breaking coconuts could be a bit messy. You will need to place newspapers on your work table. Now try to pry out the meat from the shell using a knife. If you have a blender, you can cut the coconut into pieces, but if you don't have one, leave it whole. You can use an ordinary blender or a dry mill. For this video, I'll be using a dry mill. Now blend the coconut until it's in tiny pieces. Just like this. Now let's try with the grater. You see, the coconut is whole. You'll be using a blender that has this chopping face. Now grate. This is a lot of work, but if you don't have a blender, you can still use a grater to make coconut milk. See? You still get the same thing. Now pour some hot water into the coconut meat and let it sit for 5 minutes. I always use hot water because this helps to extract the milk and the oil from the meat. After pouring the hot water, stir with a spoon. Place a strainer or a cheesecloth over a bowl. I'll be using the two so that little bits of coconut won't get into the coconut milk. Pour the blended coconuts into the sieve. Squeeze real hard so that you can get out as much coconut milk as you can. Now pour the coconut milk into a clean bowl. Here you have it, your coconut milk. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumb up by clicking on the like button. You might also like the video on how to make coconut rice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.